Mickey Marley had a wee horse, he kept it at the back of the house, of course. It wouldn't eat grass and it wouldn't eat hay, but it would eat sugar lumps all the day. Mickey got wood and wheels for a start, then he sat down and made a wee cart. He hammered and he hammered and he footered about, until he had built a roundabout. Round and round, then up and down, through the streets of Belfast town. All the children laugh and shout, for here comes Mickey's roundabout. Then he went from street to street, a penny a time and pick your seat. A hobby horse or a motor car, jump on son and howl the bar. The children's faces shine with glee, laughs and smiles a sight to see. Haven't got a penny and your ma's gone out, you could still get on his roundabout. Round and round and up and down, through the streets of Belfast town. All the children laugh and shout, for here comes Mickey's roundabout. But then, alas, to his dismay, the roundabout was burnt one day. For Mickey lost everything he had, and all the children were so sad. But his friends, they gathered round from every part of Belfast town. They hammered and they hammered and they footered about, and built him a brand new roundabout. Round and round and up and down, through the streets of Belfast town. All the children laugh and shout, for here comes Mickey's roundabout. Hobby horses don't get old, on winter days don't feel the cold. But Mickey knows each winter past, the roundabout is still at last. No more we'll hear the happy sound of his roundabout in Belfast town. But we thank the horse and the wee small man for the joy they've spread across the land. Round and round